Look. Hi, everybody. Simply Black here. Look what I got today. Look who I got today. Go say hi. You gonna wave? Can you wave? He doesn't want to wave. We're at the train station. Yeah. You don't want to say anything? No? Aw. Why not? Why don't you want to say anything? Huh? Oh, I can just go through? I could just walk through?
Yeah.
Did you get your change? It's $2.25, not $2.50. I mean, not $5. Will he get his 50 cents? Will he get his 50 cents? Yeah, because that way we don't have to. If it's $2.25 each, you gave them $5. Only got one card.
One of them will get change back.
Well, can you?
Oh, you gave me one card. I put $5 in it.
I haven't been on it in a long time, so I don't know.
So I don't know how this works.
But where can he get the change?
You have to go out there, go to the machine you went at, get the number of the machine, take your cell phone, watch your walk through man. So you got this guy. Take a picture. You went to the car machine.
I went to the one on this side.
Okay, no. This is the one I tell you. But you go out, take the camera, cell phone, take a picture of the number. There's a number on every machine, like this. You say, oh, you call us about 556-5155. You call it today. If nobody's there, they'll give you a recording. Give your name, your address. They can put some electricity.
Oh, that's all right.
We gotta
It's
go through all that.
okay.
Ain't no but-
It's all right. Thank you. I thought maybe we just go to customer service. Right. But I'm saying I thought you'd go to customer service or something.
Let me show you this Vita Miller.
So when we come back,
Oh, God.
Listen to me.
Oh, my gosh,
I've
you
been
guys.
here 29 years. You went to a machine like this, a tall machine.
yeah, that's
Tall machines say this.
Oh, gosh. Hold on, Bubby. Oh, give me your hand. Give me your hand. Because you cannot run off nowhere. Wait a second. Wait a second.
Where they at? Come here. There's a machine there. The little machine. You put a 5 there, and you make a change.
It's okay.
Okay.
All right. Thank you. Just next time you have to go. Oh, boy. Hold on, MJ. Hold on. Jump. Look. You on the escalator? Look. Say hi. Uh-oh, we're going up. We're going up. You smiling? What you smiling at? Huh? Whee! You like that music? Me too. It's relaxing. All right, we almost at the top. Jump, jump. Okay. Oh, they do have a Bath and Body Works. I got a coupon I want to use to get my free item. I see you, little one. Look, are you gonna say hi? Gonna say hi? It's cool in here. All right, let me go in here and see if I got a free coupon for something. Even though I don't use this, I can still. Hi. Oh, I think it sees here. You gotta walk straight, boy. What does it say? Body wash or hand sanitizer? I have a free coupon for.
A fun size?
Yeah. Is it these little things here?
No, it's our little minis back in the back.
Okay.
In the corner. And so what you can get is a shower gel
Mm-hmm.
or a lotion. So right here.
Okay, maybe I'll try the shower gel.
You have the option of either getting shower gel or lotion.
Okay, what's the new fragrance I have as far as the shower gel?
Okay, right back up in the front for our new summer set. So those little drinks are cute. Alright, when you guys are ready, take care of your head.
Oh, you can wash your hands over here.
Yep.
You can wash your hands here.
So yeah, these are 12.
Right here with any of those. Because I was touching those rails and stuff. So, MJ, you're going to wash your hands too. Okay? Here, come on. Stand up. Okay, you got to lean over to the
Like
side.
bits and pieces of it. Body frame.
You know, from holding them rails in that on the train.
Alright, then she will take care of you on the other side of our store, okay?
Okay. You got them? Okay, where is it at? You
Right
sure?
over here.
You sure? I don't want him to flip over. Okay.
So are you soft and casual, floral and sturdy, or fresh and playful? What's your style?
I don't know.
Or a mixture of everything?
I'm just basic. Just
Okay,
yeah.
so I'll show you this Live Fresh first then. This is just a fresh, clean scent here.
That smells good.
Next, stepping it up just a little bit. One of my favorites would be Beach Nights. Okay.
What is that? That's beach nights? Okay, you know what? That's
You did
for
like the
summer.
Live Fresh.
And I like the Live Fresh?
Yeah, well, you liked it that one. I'll only
Okay.
show you these two.
I'll do the whichever one that was the free
The Live
sample.
Fresh?
Yeah.
All
I
right.
have that
And the
one.
shower gel?
Yes.
Alright.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome.
And just go back here?
On the other side of the store, Miss Sheila will take care of you.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, let me wash my hands first.
At home.
Huh?
That's what we said at home.
That's the same.
That's new. That's our new collection.
The same. What's the name?
Bye. Did it work out?
I really don't use this stuff. You know what I'm saying? I just wanted to wash my hands real good. Actually, I should give it to Scenaria, to be honest. I'm trying to get her to finish using up her products.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Well, look. This is our stuff right here. If you want to kind of get started smelling here, and then the very front when you first walk in. Okay. So starting in summer.
Okay, Bobby. Come on. I gotta take this up to the, I guess up there. Come back. Right here. Come here. I'm watching you. I'm watching you. Look. I'm watching you. Hi guys. Look who I have. You gonna say hi now? Wave at the camera, MJ. Yeah. So we're about to go get the water. I hope that stuff doesn't fall down. That stuff ain't gonna fall out that stroller, is it? You want to get in the water? Look at the doggy. Look at the dog. It's cute. Oh, I think it's stopped. I'm going to let you go over there. Oh, she's all the way wet.
Huh?
I said she's all the way wet.
All of them all the way.
You can't get all the way wet, MJ, okay?
Change your clothes.
Come on. Let's take your shoes off. Sit down. You can get a little bit wet. We got to keep an eye on these. Give me your socks. Hold on 1 second. Look at them feet. Look at them. You gotta hold those. You ready? Come on. Just a little bit. Hi. Look at their feet. Look at that. Yay. You getting your feet wet? Yeah. You having fun? You gotta touch it. Don't go crazy in it now. Just a little bit. You like that? Yeah. Yeah. I see you.